cooking can be such a joyfulness. Sometimes you venture into the kitchen and it looks more like a culinary battlefield than a cozy haven. The aftermath of creativity can turn into a cluttered chaos if left unchecked. But hey, messy creations tell tales of great culinary journeys. A sign you're in there experimenting, truly exploring flavors. And we've all been there faced with an avalanche of utensils and an alarming number of sauce splatters on the walls. Um, the eye twitches as you assess the damage and wonder where it all went wrong. It's like the kitchen gods got angry with you for daring to challenge the norm, keeping things tidy. Well, cooking isn't just about having a pretty kitchen. It's crucial for optimizing your workflow. Here comes the rescue mission, a mise en place, a French wisdom nugget, meaning everything in its place, is your battle strategy. Before you even think about turning on the stove, get your ingredients prepped. Not only does this keep the chaos at bay, but it also saves you precious time. Time is a resource, my cooking comrades, and food waits for no one. Step one, dedicate a specific space for cutting. Clear out an ample area on your countertop and ensure you have sufficient chopping room for those sneaky onions. Thinly slice them, dice some tomatoes, maybe chop some greens, and line up the spices. Imagine yourself as a cooking wizard wielding their magic wand gracefully. One roll of parchment paper can save your countertop from endless scrubbing. Next, immerse yourself in the psychology of small wins. Cleaning as you cook can feel like conquering mini battles along the way. Finished with the mixing bowl, unsip immediately. Sauces splattered on the stove. Wipe them up now. A 2016 study showed that 70% of home cooks felt less stressed when they cleaned while cooking. Pro tip, wear an apron always. It's your knight's armor against unexpected spills. Now let's tackle the art of storage. When you're halfway through a recipe and need that elusive bay leaf, good storage saves the day. Arrange things logically in your pantry and fridge. Group your spices together, categorize your grains, and place those you use frequently at the front. A few clear jars can transform food storage from chaos into order. Cooking shouldn't be a lonely mission. Remember, sharing tasks can bring joy and accomplish magic. If your roommate loves chopping, let them wield the knife while you focus on sauteing. This teamwork not only enhances bonds, but also spreads the mess responsibility. Approximately 82% of people say they find cooking more enjoyable when someone is there to keep them company. Embrace the miracle of multitasking. Waiting for your pasta public to boil. Utilize that time to wash dishes. This doesn't mean a relentless pace, though. Mastering patience is key, and it keeps your mind sharp. Delicious food is best enjoyed when you're not swiftly moving from task to task with a frazzled mind. Be wary of overcomplicating recipes. Sometimes simplicity can be a mother's wisdom we forget. Sometimes simplicity can be a mother's wisdom we forget. Having countless ingredients can multiply the mess exponentially. Begin with recipes that require fewer ingredients, mastering them before you add more complexity. Less cluttered ingredients mean fewer tools used, translating to a tidier kitchen. And now, if messes are inevitable, own them. And they're a testament to the incredible dishes you're dreaming up, each stain and spill its own badge of honorable culinary challenge. Think of the famed chefs and their stories of countless kitchen disasters. The important thing is not to dwell, but to learn and embrace. Messy sometimes reveals the heart you poured into your dish. Ultimately, a messy kitchen isn't the villain in this story. It's just part of the messy path to mastery. And so invite the chaos, understand it, and conquer it. With each cleanup, you're a step closer to an orderly haven where the flavors really start to dance. Cooking is about embracing creativity with a mix of chaos and calm. Remember, the kitchen is your canvas, your stage. A bit of organization can help your performances shine brighter. With discipline, the mess can evolve into a beautiful backdrop of your culinary masterpiece. And if you've managed all this in a neat, orderly manner, you've unlocked the culinary secret. Creativity loves a good, clean playground.